Hi, and welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India, and this is the Kenwood TS-440. As you've seen, I've taken out for a POTA or two lately. But there is an issue taking this radio out for a POTA, and that is I don't really have a carrying case for it. And I have been looking into one of those hard cases, but it's just too expensive for an almost 40-year-old radio that I got for free. But I got a solution here. Let's see what I found up in my attic. This is an old camera backpack that I found. I haven't used it for a couple of years, but it's been used for a lot of purposes. But I realized that the big space here, without the dividers, is almost the size of the TS-440. So let's go ahead and see if it fits. Let's go ahead and see if we can get the radio up here in the backpack. And according to what I think, this should just about fit almost perfectly. Looks like it does. Let's change the camera angle and see how this works. And as you can see, it fits in the backpack. Pretty snug actually. And it's not really that well protected, but it's more protected than not using anything. And as an added bonus, there's room for the mic and the power cord in this front pouch. So that's it. Let's zip it up. So there we go. One Parks on the Air backpack. And I'll be taking this out for a POTA pretty soon, and you'll see that in a coming episode of LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. Please hit that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you got any opinions, as Hams does. And there's also a little bit more information down below. That's it for now. Until next time, 7-3.